Hello everyone, this is Happy from odishatv.in, bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Rath Yatra 2017. Export team inspects glitch in Devi Subhadra's Rath axle. Odisha government effects major reshuffle of 31 IPS. Anupama James appointed Bhubaneswar DCP. Indian Navy to train Marine Police of Odisha at INS Chilika. Training to begin from July. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik joins Iftar party in capital. Takes selfies with youths and kids. And Home Department orders probe into casting couch. Charges against Odia film producer. Now the news in details. As the expert committee, comprising engineers from Public Works Department and members of Chariot Technical Committee, started inspecting the construction of 3 chariots in Puri today, the process of replacement of axle in Devi Subhadra's Rath also began. Fresh wood reached the chariot construction yard as the process to replace the broken axle started. The Maharana servitors started sculpting the wood for the replacement was informed by Artha Tarana Ratha, member of Chariot Construction Committee. The Darpa Dalana axle broke last night, not able to withstand the pressure of other parts of the chariot. Soon after the fault was noticed, the broken axle connecting the wheels near the brake was tied with iron chain temporarily. Officials of Sri Jagannath Temple Administration, District Collector and other officials rushed to the spot last night and decided to replace it with a new one. In a major reshuffle, Odisha government on Wednesday effected a major reshuffle of 31 IPS officers with immediate effect. Anupama James will now be the DCP of Bhubaneswar. Akhileshwar Singh has been made DCP of Cuttack. Manoj Habra and SM Narbain have been made ADG of Training and ADG of Odisha Human Rights Commission respectively. While Radhakrishna Sharma will be the new IG of Economic Offence Wing, Arun Bothra will be the IG of Railways. Similarly, some other new transfers made are Sushant Nath will be the IG of North, Ghanshyam Upadhyay will be IG of South, Nikhil Kanodia will be DIG of Training, Kabita Jalan will be DIG of Raulkela and Sanjeev Arora will be SP of Sambalpur. In a major step to enhance its counter-terrorism capabilities in coastal belt, the State Marine Police will now train under the Indian Navy. Addressing media persons, Home Department Secretary Asit Tripathi said that the Navy has given green signal to the proposal of imparting training to Marine Police officials. They have decided to provide basic training on seamanship following standard operation procedure during counter-terrorism operations in coastal areas, tracking illegal trawlers and pirates. The Navy would train 50 police officials with them at INS Chilika in 2 batches starting from July.
आम इंडियन नेवी संगे कथबार्ता करूँ जे आमर जो पुलिस मैन अच्छा सीमैनशिप वेसल मान केमती कौन कर इलीगल बोट हेलेट केमती कौ भाया SOP फॉलो करेंगे ये सब बेसिक ट्रेनिंग देवाई रिक्वेस्ट करूँ से मैंने राजी होती जे प्राय 50 जन ओडिशा पुलिस जो मैंने कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी दायित्व अच्छा INS चिल्का ट्रेनिंग देवे जुलाई बाय बैच 2टा बैच देवे ट्रेनिंग.
Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Wednesday turned up at an iftar celebration party organized by the BJD in Bhubaneswar. Besides the CM, other cabinet ministers, party leaders attended the iftar party hosted by BJD's minority cell president Munna Khan. Patnaik, as a gesture of goodwill, allowed people including youths and children to take selfies with him.
सीएम मोर बहुत फेवरेट मुझे बहुत भल पाए आज सहित फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे देखिली तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट बहुत थिला सेल्फी भी नहीं बहुत खुशी लगुच मत
सब वर्गर लोक आम संगे आसुच्च विशेषकर रमजान मसटा गोटे पवित्र मस ये मसरे आम पूरा 30 दिन उपास रो मु भी उपास अच्छी टी झड़ी जाइए बोधे उपास मस भितर गोटे दिन आम इफ्तार पार्टी हुए ब्रेकिंग ऑफ फास्ट आम समस्त को डाकू माननीय मुख्यमंत्री नवीन बाबू को भी डाकू सब वर्ष से आसती.
The sister of the woman, claiming to be the wife of Talcher MLA Braja Pradhan on Wednesday, appeared before a court stating that she is the direct witness of her sister's marriage with the legislator. She also told the court that the legislator also paid rupees 1 lakh per month for her sister's maintenance. The woman, who has been claiming to be the wife of Pradhan, has ransacked official residence of the MLA last month when Pradhan was not present in his quarters.
तांको मैरिज टाइम रे तांको पाखे थी एंड जहाँ भी किसी भी मो पाखे प्रूफ थिला मुझे माने मो भौणी की न्याय मिलू जेहेतु मो ब्रजकिशोर प्रधान मो भौणी की यूज करी वाइफ गोटे वाइफ को मैरिज करके पूरा गो टू बेड सब यूज कर देन तो ओबियसली साक्षी माने दंड निहाती भाव में मिलवा कथा.
The indifference of the BJD towards its own MP Baijan Panda once again came to the fore, with the party's Cuttack district president Pratap Jena making a statement that the Kendrapada MP was absent from the executive meet held in Cuttack on Wednesday despite being invited. However, the MP immediately responded to it as petty false and low-level politicking. The MP stated through a tweet that the statement made by Jena is false, petty and low-level politicking by vested interests who are manipulating the party. After the meeting, Jena has stated that though the MP was invited to the meeting, he did not come. Soon after, the MP's political secretary, Jyoti Prakash Ghosh, responded to Jena's statement as baseless and false. Odisha Home Department has directed the Commissionerate Police to probe the allegations of casting couch brought in by a Bengali girl against an Odia film producer and submit reports soon. The girl alleged that the producer, Birat Mahapatra, brought her to Odisha promising that he would cast her as the lead in Odia films. However, the producer allegedly inflicted physical and mental torture on her after she came to the state. The matter came to the light when the girl tweeted the issue tagging Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Earlier, the girl had lodged an FIR against Mahapatra with the Mahila police station in Bhubaneswar. Cops in the town have had a tough time yesterday when they went to Baniamala area to catch a thief who injured a policeman and created panic in the area for more than 3 hours. When some locals chased the thief, he ran into his house and locked the iron grill from inside. However, the locals managed to break open the iron grill and tried to enter the house. To prevent the chasers from entering the house, the burglar drove away the people holding a sharp object. He also hurled stones and glass bottles outside the house to dissuade them. Meanwhile, the local police reached the spot receiving information. The enraged miscreant was nabbed by the police after injuring a cop during an operation that went on for more than 3 hours. The Central Bureau of Investigation has yesterday registered a disproportionate assets case against former Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology Director Barada Kanta Mishra. On Wednesday, CBI had raided IMMT in Bhubaneswar over the alleged financial irregularities. Apart from raids at IMMT, Mishra's residence in Bhubaneswar was also raided yesterday morning. He is presently the founding director of newly established IIT Goa. Before wrapping up, the news headlines once again. Rath Yatra 2017. Export team inspects glitch in Devi Subhadra's Rath axle. Odisha government effects major reshuffle of 31 IPS. Anupama James appointed Bhubaneswar DCP. Indian Navy to train Marine Police of Odisha at INS Chilika. Training to begin from July. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik joins Iftar party in capital, takes selfies with youths and kids. And Home Department orders probe into casting couch, charges against Odia film producer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.